Welcome again, students. As in previous video, we have completed some points of this chapter, that is characteristics of living things, growth, food is necessary for growth, respiration. Okay, so these all points we have completed in video 1. So in this video, we will going to start our next point, that is excretion. Okay, students. So students, excretion is a characteristics of living things. Okay. So animal take waste substance in their body. Okay. Animals are eating waste food. Okay, which is not good for their body. So animal take waste substance into their body. That process is called excreta. Okay, students, which process called excreta? When animals take unwanted unhealthy food into their body, that is called excreta, and eliminating that waste substance from the body is called excretion. Okay, understood? So animal have specific organs for excretion. Understood? Okay, plants also excrete. How they excrete? Plants waste substance stored in a leaves and the shade along with a tree. Okay, how plants trees shed? Tell me how trees excrete? By shedding their waste leaves. As you can see in this picture, this tree has no leaves, means this is a excretion. They excrete their waste leaves. Okay, they're shedding their leaves is called excretion. So plants also do excretion. Use your brain power. What is a sticky substance seen on the stem of bubble acacia or drumstick trees? Sticky substance means what? Unwanted part of the tree which they threw out it. Okay, throw out into their body, means into their tree. As you can see, the sticky substance tree threw out the unwanted things from their body. Okay, so tree also do excretion. Here one example as given. Try this. Take a transparent plastic bag. Okay, tie it over a leaf of a plant as shown in the picture. Observe it after 6 to 7 hours. What do you see? Drop of water collect on the inside of bag. It means that plant excrete water in the form of vapor. Okay, understood? Plants also excrete in a different way. So when so this is a different types of plants excrete. Okay, students. So students, observe and discuss. Have you experienced this? What happened immediately after the following action? Light flash suddenly into your eyes. What you will do? You will close your eyes, right? Instantly your eyes blink and close. Have you experienced this? What happened immediately after the following action? Suddenly you felt a pinprick. Suppose somebody, your naughty friend, pink with a pencil, pen or pen. You feel intense pain and thus suddenly you withdraw a hand, right? Have you experienced this? What happened immediately after the following action? The leaves of the mimosa plant were touched. When you touch the mimosa plant, the plant will fold. Okay? Have you experienced this? At sunset, lamp on the street or courtyard are lit and insects gather around the lamp. Why it is so? In villages, you must have seen, students, if the lamp switch on, the insects attract towards the light and they fly towards the lamp. And if the lamp switched off, the flies go away. Right? So students, our next point is responsiveness to stimuli and movement. Okay students, animal and human being can move from one place to other, but plant cannot. Plants can move, but they cannot go from one place to other. Plants move according to their convenience, right? So here one example has given. If you suddenly enter a cow shed, the cows and buffaloes stand up, being to move one or two, may even start moving. These are all movements. Okay. Living thing act in the various way when responding to stimuli. What they respond? Animal response. How cow shed how cow responds when we enter, that is the stimulus, right? And what is the response? Cow moving from one place to other, and they are moving, that is their response. Okay, understood? Use your brain power. In each of the example given above, what is the stimulus and what is the response? So students, everywhere and each of the example is stimulus and response. Okay, so you note down different examples of stimulus and response. Okay. Second, what is the main difference between the movements of plants and animals? So we have seen that plants as well as animals move and they respond to stimulus. Okay. Responsiveness to stimuli and movement. A cripple planted in the courtyard lean towards a support. As you can see, the crippled plants lean a support. Okay. A potted plant placed in the window grow towards sunlight. It means that plants too move. Okay. Plants too show movement. Living things move of their own accords. Okay. As you can see in the picture, crippled plants move in their own accords. If they need food, they move their face towards the sunlight. See, sunlight on that plant. So students, in this video we have completed more 2 points. First is excretion. We have seen different types of excretion in animals and plants also, right? Okay. And responsiveness to stimuli and movement, we have seen different movement, right? Different response also we have seen. Mimosa plant, potted plant, right? So all this point you have to note down. All this point you have to note down in your book. Importance point that will be help for your notes also. Okay students? So remain parts of this chapter, that is reproduction, we will continue in next video. Okay students? Reproduction we will start in next video. Few points only remaining, we will do in the next. Okay.